Sometimes you want an easy dinner recipe with almost no work. Here's a creamy Italian chicken pasta that does exactly that. 4 ingredients, go into your slow cooker, and your crockpot does the rest. Fireless cooking made simple. Hey friends, today you and I are going to make a freaky fast recipe. Hey, you're going to love this one. Now, we've done a lot of quick recipes and a lot of, hey, if you don't feel like cooking, this is a quick one, but I'm telling you one. This one is like so fast. It has 4 ingredients. It is a creamy Italian pasta, chicken pasta dish. It is super easy and it happens all in the slow cooker very, very quickly. Hey, let's get into it. We begin the creamy Italian chicken pasta in the crock pot by getting out your favorite crock pot, placing your boneless chicken breasts, or I'm using boneless chicken cutlets here. They have been cleaned and patted dry. I'm placing them in the bottom of the crock pot. Next, we are going to take a whole bottle of creamy Italian dressing, and we are going to take the whole bottle and place it on top, as you see that I'm doing here, on top of the chicken. Now you're going to turn the chicken and kind of mix the chicken into the sauce so that everything is well coated, meaning you want to move that sauce around so all the chicken pieces are very well coated. Now we're going to put the lid on. This is a super easy recipe. You're going to go low for 4 to 5 hours or on high for 2 to 3 hours. And 30 minutes before your cooking time is complete, you want to take the lid off and you want to add in your cream cheese. And you're going to cube up your cream cheese like you see that I'm doing here. I've cut it into small cube pieces, and you're just going to place the cream cheese into the crock pot here. And it takes a couple minutes. This melts a little bit easier and mixes in with the chicken and the creamy Italian dressing a little bit better when you cube it up. So we're going to place that in here now. Now this crock pot recipe, slow cooker recipe, is only 4 ingredients. It's super easy, beginner friendly, and it makes for a really super nice chicken pasta meal. So now, since the cream cheese pats are in the crock pot, I'm going to give it a quick stir to make sure that it's all well combined in there. The top then goes back on the crock pot here for about 10 to 15 minutes until that cream cheese is softened. Next, I'm going to boil up my noodles of choice. You can use any type of a pasta, and you're going to cook them till al dente. Next, I'm going to take the top off the crock pot, and I am going to start to shred the chicken. Now, this may take a few moments. I'm going to use 2 forks. Now, there are machines and little kitchen appliances that'll shred the chicken for you, but I just choose to do it here with 2 forks. I'm going to make sure it's all shredded up very, very nicely. I then am going to add in all of my cooked pasta, and I'm going to stir that in real gently. We want the sauce and the chicken to kind of gel with that cooked pasta. I'm going to add in a little bit more here. You're going to use about 12 ounces of pasta. And like I said, you can use the penne, the rotini, or shells, whatever you've got in the house, basically. So I'm going to let this I'm going to give it a few minutes as I'm stirring it and mixing it together. The chicken and the creamy dressing and the cream cheese all coming together really, really nice here. Smells delicious. Absolutely so, so good. This one's a super easy one. Now I'm going to place the lid back on, and I'm going to let it stay on warm for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm going to take the lid off, and we are going to taste this wonderful slow cooker recipe. I'm going to give it another stir here. It smells delicious. I'm going to plate it up. I'm going to put some on a plate here, and we're going to taste this delicious recipe. This does come together pretty easy. So like if you were going to work, I mean, this would be a nice easy one to throw on, go about your day, and then come back and prep it and eat it. I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese on the top. I'm going to take a nice bite here. I'm going to add some green onions. Let's do that. That makes it beautiful, right? Look at that. Very, very nice. Very creamy. The texture, you can taste the chicken, that Italian creamy sauce kind of just gives it that nice creamy taste, but it has just that little bit of a zing that Italian dressing has. But it becomes subtle in some parts when you're eating it, and it is just a very easy, delicious recipe. Hey, I'll see you in the next one.